This week, I'm going to show you how to make an easy pasta dish with an easy tomato sauce to go with it. First, you're going to start with a couple of cloves of garlic and make sure you peel off all the skin. And then what you want to do here is slice it as thin as you possibly can. Ideally, this needs to be paper thin garlic. So keep chopping and you'll see here how thin it'll be. So here's it up close, as thin as possible. And then you're going to add your garlic to a skillet and add in some basil leaves. And then you're going to add in a nice glug of olive oil. What this will do is all the garlic and basil will infuse the oil and make it taste amazing. And while that's cooking, start boiling your water for your pasta and make sure you salt it heavily. It should be salty like the sea. So back to the olive oil, you're going to cook until the garlic is fragrant, and then you can take out the basil leaf and throw it away. And then you're going to add in a can of tomato puree. And periodically while this is cooking, you want to stir the sauce, that way it doesn't stick to the pan. And this should take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. And all throughout, make sure you're checking the seasoning and adding salt when necessary. And don't forget, keep stirring. And what I like to do is add in a little shredded Parmigiano Reggiano. This will make your sauce a little extra creamier. And stir it all in and keep stirring the sauce. The pasta I'm using is Buziate Sicilian pasta. This is pretty hard to find here, so I was really excited to find it. And Partana is the same company that makes the olive oil and the Starbucks Oleato drinks, so I thought that was kind of interesting. I think I found this in the North End, so if you're in the Boston area, that's a good place to get some pasta. So you're going to open the bag up, and then you're going to just dump all your pasta into the boiling water. And the package instructions say to cook for about 11 minutes. Then after 11 minutes, take your pasta out and add it to your sauce. And then this is what your pasta should sound like. And then you're just going to start plating it up to serve. And overall, this took 30 minutes to make, so this is really super easy for the middle of the week.